For various different reasons, many of us don't want to show our faces on camera, but yet we want to be a part of the growing YouTube industry. So this video is going to be a complete step-by-step guide that teaches you how to create YouTube introduction using AI avatars like myself. So you are welcome.
Welcome to KCK, where dreams take flight. Making money online, tech and sights so bright. Subscribe and stay, let's journey on. Together we'll shine from dusk till dawn.
Guys, to design our avatar, the first step, we need an image that is going to represent our brand, and I came up with this short guide that is going to help us through the entire process. Okay, so like you can see, the first thing is it gives us a prompt. Okay, right now it says create a highly detailed and visually appealing digital avatar representing the at Make Money KCK brand. So this is my brand, of course, for my YouTube introduction. Okay, so let's continue. Brand for a YouTube video introduction. The avatar should reflect a modern tech survey and entrepreneurial personality. Ensure the avatar aligns with the brand's focus on making money online and technology while maintaining a consistent visual identity across all content. Okay, so like you can see, you can edit that to your own branding. Okay, and it doesn't end there. Like you can see down here, it gives us avatar appearance. So this is going to help you describe your avatar even more. For example, you're going to choose the gender, age range, skin tone, hairstyle, facial features, clothing, accessories. So you're going to fill in all these details based on what you like. Okay, and when you go down here, like you can see, there is background. So they give you an option of color scheme, props, okay, lighting, everything. So all you have to do is to come down here and you write everything you want, to describe your avatar based on your own branding. Okay, so I'm going to share these with you in the description down below, so that you can follow along. Okay, so let's go ahead to ChatGPT and I'm going to show you what we are going to be doing next. So after all the edits, you're going to come over to ChatGPT, and here is a new prompt you're going to give ChatGPT. So it says, make this one singular prompt with all the details. So you're going to copy the entire prompt that I provided with you guys in the description, and you're going to paste it over here. Make sure it's edited to your own brand, like I said before. So after that, you're just going to click on this generate button, and you're going to see the results they're going to give you. So these are the ones that we are going to be using in our next tool that is going to help us generate the images, okay, that we are going to be using. Like you can see, still it's over describing, so I'm going to make sure it understands that I want one single prompt. So it finally understood what I want. So what you're going to do is you're going to highlight this, okay, just like this, and then you're going to copy it. Okay, we are going to be using this in our next tool. The next tool we are going to be using is Canva, and Canva has a strong AI that generates beautiful images known as DreamLab. So you'll find it at the left, okay, of your screen, down, just down here. Like you can see, you're just going to click on it and it's going to bring you to a new interface that is going to help us input the prompt we just generated with ChatGPT. So all you have to do is to paste the prompt over here. So since we are working on a YouTube video, we are going to leave the settings on 16:9. Okay, that's the aspect ratio we are going to be using because it's wide enough for a big screen. So after that, you're just going to click on the create button over here, and they're going to generate you 4 different images that you can choose from. Okay, so let's wait for that and we see what this AI is going to come up with. So here are the images that they've generated for us, and I like a few of these. For example, this one, it looks really good. So once you click on it, you can see it in a close range that it came out really well. So this is something that we can use. Okay, I like that. So let's try out a few different ones. There is this. So I think it also looks good, but the previous one looks better. So let's also try on this one over here. So you want to find something where the avatar is facing straight in the camera. So if you're someone who wants one single avatar and you don't need to switch up things like in every video, you can just download one singular avatar that you like from this, and then that's what you'll be using for your videos. Okay, you'll just have to click on the download button over here, and then that way you'll be able to download your image. But if you just want to maintain the brand consistency and just switch up the presenters, here is what you're going to do. So you'll maintain the same prompt we used. Then you'll come on this option where it says add image. So you're going to click on that and you'll click on style reference over here. So you will go to the recent generations. Okay, you'll click on the recent generations. So you can do this every time you're making a new generation. They'll bring you all the recent generations that you've worked on. So you're going to choose a particular one that you want to refer to. So we said this is perfect, so we are going to click on this one. So every time you're using this tool, you'll be referring to that exact image to get similar results. Okay, so you're going to click on create like we did in the beginning, and we are going to give that time to generate for us new images that we are going to be using. So let's see how they're going to come out. So these are the results that it has generated for us. Like you can see, still you have different options that you can work with, like you can see. So with every generation, you'll be able to get an image that you can simply use. Okay, so I did this twice, and like you can see, with all the results, we got amazing results. So if you want something a bit more human-like, you will have to add the word realistic to the prompt to get better results. Okay, so now that we know how to generate our images, choose the particular one that you want to use, like I showed you guys earlier on, and you click on download. It's going to download on your device. And let's head over to another tool and I show you how we are going to turn them into videos. By the way, if you're already finding value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Okay, let's proceed. So to turn our avatars into videos, we are going to be using a tool known as DID AI. So this is what it looks like on its interface. So once you're here, you'll obviously have to sign up. Okay, then you'll click on the start a free trial, or you can click on get started. Then it's going to bring you to this page. So you'll click on video studio, and then it will bring you this option of create a video. So you're going to click on that option. Okay, then once you're here, you'll click on this option that says create. Okay, so we are going to click on that button and it's going to bring you over here. So you want to choose this option that says create with a photo. Okay, so if you have a video, you can create with a video. So you're going to click on this option over here and it's going to take you where you saved your images. So you're going to click on upload, and then that way you'll be able to upload your avatar. Okay, so like you can see, it's in the process, and I've already uploaded all the different avatars, some of them that we created. Like you can see, they are already here. So now once you're done, if the avatar you want to use is over here, you'll just have to click on it just like this so that it can surface over here, and that's what you're going to be using. Okay, so when you're here, you're going to choose the emotions. So for this video, I'm going to choose happy. Okay, then you can choose the movements. So I'm going to choose lively, and then the position, if you want it this side, on the left, in the middle, or right, this is how you choose the option you want. So now we are going to go over to the option of script. Okay, so you're going to click on that option where it says script, and like you can see, we have different options. There is text, whereby you can input the kind of text you want the avatar to say. Then down here, you'll be able to choose the voiceover. There is different voices available, so you can choose a particular one that you want to use. All you have to do is to click on apply once you select the one you want to use. So the next option we have is the audio option, and once you click on it, you'll see that you have two options. Either you can record yourself or you can upload an existing audio already. Okay, so let's try this particular one and we see how it's going to come out like. So let me click on it. Hi guys, welcome to Art Make Money with KCK YouTube channel. On this channel, we teach you how to make money online and how to use latest AI technologies. So if those are subjects that interest you, you are most definitely welcome. So once it's ready, you're going to have it over here, and all you have to do is to click on the generate video option over here. So you'll click on generate once again, and that way you're going to give it some few minutes to process, and let's see how our video has come out. Hi guys, welcome to Make Money with KCK YouTube channel. On this channel, we teach you how to make money online and how to use latest AI technologies. So if those are subjects that interest you, you are most definitely welcome. Honestly, guys, I think we've done a great job, and this video has come out really great. So I'm really curious to know, how did yours come out? You can let me know in the comment section down below. So to download the video onto our device, we are going to click on these three buttons over here, and what you're looking for is the download option. So you're going to click on download, and that way the video is going to download onto your device. So now it's ready, and you can add it to your main video as your introduction part using your favorite video editor. So guys, now that we know how to create YouTube introductions, let me leave you these related videos. For example, this particular one that is going to teach you step by step how you can create beautiful thumbnails. Okay, so I've linked all of them in the description down below. You can check them out and learn from them as well. So this brings us to the end of today's video, and thank you so much for watching, guys. If you haven't liked the video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you once again, and see you in my next one. Bye.